In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize the ribbon bar on Microsoft PowerPoint. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up PowerPoint and select the File tab up at the top left. On the left panel, go down and select Options. On the left panel here, select Customize Ribbon. And then at this point, you can drag over or select the Add button, certain items you want to add to groups. So you have to select the tab you want to add it to over here on the right. And then, well, you've also selected the one on the left here. So if you want to put bullets underneath the main tags, for example, underneath grayscale, for example, you need to select add to move it under there. And you may have to add new groups in order to actually create new tabs up here. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. You want to add or remove things. You just would uncheck certain items if you want to remove them from the ribbon bar. And you can customize the different ribbons as well through the all tabs, main tabs, or tool tabs up here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.